On this very wet week, I've been testing the BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe with my family. Let's find out what my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features are. Number 1 is the auto lock and unlock. I can just walk up to the car with the keys in my bag and it will open, and again when I walk away with the keys in my bag it will lock itself, which is really great. Or you can just press on any of the handles here and the doors will open, and the same to lock it again. Number 2 is the boot. Now the floor in here, you can fold it right back so that you get an extra about 10 centimetres of boot space, which is really handy for getting those prams and strollers in. Number 3 is the seatbelt removal visual that comes up in the screen in front of your steering wheel. It lets you know exactly which one of your rear passengers has taken their seatbelt off. I really enjoyed driving the BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe with my family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.